Okay, so if you guys think it's crazy that Razer showed up with both a mock-up of the Razer toaster and an actual working Razer toaster, if you guys think that's crazy, you are not even ready for what's going on in here. This box right here is being seen here at LTX 2017 for the first time. That label on the top says prototype inside. To those of you wondering, no, it is not Project Valerie. It is not AMD EPYC, but it is from AMD. Are you guys ready? Inside this box, being unveiled for the first time, AMD RX Vega. Inside this box is not only an AMD RX Vega, but a completely one-of-a-kind unboxing experience that will only be available in very, very limited quantities, because to produce it required designers from the Netherlands, UK, Canada, and the US, and the cost of building it is extraordinarily high. So to see one of these in person is going to be a very, very unusual experience. This is crazy. The sleeve of RX Vega! Hey, that's mine. I want to do it. Okay. The cardboard flap of RX Vega! Bring pixels to life. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Now just hold on a minute here. Oh, do I have to leave it there? Okay, so we're gonna plug it in. Can I pick it up? Can I hold it? Of course. So this is a prototype device that AMD is calling the Holo Cube. And it's some kind of holographic display that actually syncs with Radeon software to project certain images. If there's like a driver update or like a new game you want to play, or if your DVR capture is on.
What is it, RGB?
No, it is AMD Red, because it is all about Team Red. Wow, I was looking at it from the wrong side. So you guys were actually seeing it. So inside the cube is another cube. It's a graphic. We actually have a video that we can play, just in case you can't see it. We're gonna leave this out so you guys can see it in person. But I'm gonna go ahead and fire that up. So from the front, there's just this graphic, this rotating cube that seems to be hovering completely in midair. Unbelievable. Has everyone kind of seen it? Can you see it moving around in there? How about you guys in the front there? Pretty cool, eh? But of course, that's not the main announcement today. The main announcement is the unboxing of the card itself. So first up, we've got DisplayPort to DVI adapter! DisplayPort to HDMI adapter! We actually really could have used one of these last night. And a manual! And finally, being seen for the first time here today, the final shroud design of RX Vega. There it is. So this is the limited edition of RX Vega. It's got a brushed aluminum finish. This is a completely new architecture for AMD. Everything about it was built from the ground up. It's got a new geometry and pixel engine. It's got hardware accelerated async compute if you guys are into DirectX 12 and you're into Vulkan. And it features 8 gigs of HBM2 memory. So for a consumer card right now to get HBM2 memory, you gotta buy a $9,000 graphics card. And I can't tell you what the price of this is gonna be, but I can tell you it's going to be a lot less than that. Also, it will have better support for FreeSync than ever before. And that's supposed to be kind of a hint, because AMD will be officially announcing many, many more details about RX Vega tomorrow at 7:30 Pacific, 7:30 p.m. Pacific. So stay tuned for that. I promised that this would be unbelievable and that you guys would be absolutely blown away. And we're gonna start getting the phase 2 going here, because that wasn't it. It's getting real now, because Vega would have been a big deal, and Vega is a big deal. But inside this box is a display port cable! And a big fat power cable! And an Alienware Area 51 gaming desktop running a 16-core, 32-thread Threadripper. And what we're gonna do here today is we're gonna show you Doom running on RX Vega and Threadripper for the first time. And a few lucky audience members will game on it. Now we gotta hook it up. So everyone, keep that level of excitement going for like 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes. There's still more. Y'all, let's get it going, AMD, yes! AMD, yes! AMD, yes! You guys are about to witness some live and in-person Linus Tech Tips troubleshooting. So I'm just gonna perform a quick memory swap here. Okay, I'm gonna try the other RAM. Still beeping. Oh man, I'm freaking out here, you guys. It's okay. I'm fine right now. Everything is fine. Putting the other memory back in. You guys are gonna cut all that out, right? Okay, we got this. The next thing I get to unveil today, I'm lightheaded, is everybody's favorite benchmark when they first fire up their computer with a new processor. Task Manager. 16 cores, 32 threads. I got special permission from Alienware to be the first person to run Cinebench in public on Threadripper. Okay, I'm actually gonna need an assistant to come in and click it for me, because I wanna hold this up so everyone can see it. Actually, maybe someone who's already on the stage. Okay, yeah, can you click run? Click run. 16 threads, 16 cores. CPU, yeah. 16 cores, 32 threads. That's how fast it goes! Look at it fly! It might already be done! It's done! 2866! Okay. This is exhausting. I think I'm allowed to tell you base clock. Well, it's running at like 2.6 right now, but it's shifting a lot. There will be more details on Threadripper. I need Steam to launch. I really need it to launch right now. We're just gonna reboot it. We're gonna show off the speedy reboot times of the Area 51. You better not update. So I'm gonna use this opportunity.
Have some water, dude.
Thank
You're
you.
exhausted. Have some.
I'm dying. I'm gonna use this opportunity. To announce one more thing. AMD is giving away to 2 lucky people, one here and one participating at the link in the video description online. They're giving away 2 RX Vega graphics cards. In the meantime, huge shout out to AMD and Alienware for making this unveiling possible. Thank you. Huge shout out to you guys for being here, and a huge shout out again to FreshBooks, the cloud accounting software for small business owners and freelancers. All right, link in the video description. Get your free trial. There's going to be a code LTX 2017, I think, or something. LTX, yeah, whatever. Colton's not screaming, so maybe that's it. Either way, it'll be linked down there. Thanks for watching, you guys, and thanks for being here, you guys. I will see you guys out on the show floor.